The Five Hypotheses of Language Acquisition by Stephen Krashen. Krashen's theories of the second language acquisition consist of five main hypotheses: the acquisition learning, the monitor, the natural order, the input, and affective filter. The acquisition learning hypothesis. Acquisition, a product of subconscious process, very similar to the process of children undergoes when they acquire the first language. Learning, a product of formal learning, it compresses a conscious process which results in conscious knowledge. The monitor hypothesis explains the relationship between acquisition and learning. The acquisition is the alternate initiator, while the learning system performs the role of the monitor or the editor. There are three types of monitor: monitor over, monitor under, optimal monitor. The natural order hypothesis acquires the rules of knowledge in a predictable order, some rules tending to come early and others late. The natural order of acquisition presumed to be the results of the acquired system, based on the morpheme studies which have criticized on various grounds.
The input hypothesis is Krashen's attempt to explain how the learner acquires a second language, how a second language acquisition takes place. The input hypothesis is only concerned with acquisition, not learning. It claims that humans acquire language in only one way, by understanding messages, that is, by receiving comprehensible input. So, if a student receives real vocabulary they can use in everyday activities for real situations, for example, to teach the seasons of the year, they prepare an activity related to the clothes someone has to wear during winter, doing a role play. The affective filter hypothesis. Krashen states that the affective filter is manifested during language acquisition, influenced by emotional variables that can prevent learning. It doesn't impact acquisition directly, but rather prevents inputs from reaching the language acquisition part of the brain. In education, it's important to create safe and welcoming environments for the students to learn. The affective filter has anxiety, self-confidence, motivation, and stress. And in education, this is important since they need to know they can produce the language, make mistakes, and correct them at the same time.
To conclude the five hypotheses, acquisition has to have meaningful interaction.